Welcome back to the next one. Thank you so much for giving so much support in the last video. So let's begin. So in the next strategy, what we will do, we will have the same array and that array has 8, 5, 6, 2, 7 and the sum is yet again 10. So in the next this strategy, what will happen, we will have low and high. This strategy is also known as a two-pointer strategy, or you can even say a sorted strategy. What we will do, we will sort the array first. So what will it become? 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now what we'll do, the low will point to the lowest one and high will point to the highest one. I'll show you clearly. 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the low pointer is here and high is here. Now in the first iteration, what will happen? It will check 2 plus 8. Is it 10? Yes, it is. Let's say, so now we have low and high. Now what we have is, okay, should be 7 and 8. Now it should be the lower one. We will check 9. 2 plus 9, is it equal to 10? The answer is no. So what we will do, we will decrease the higher one. Now we will check 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. The answer is yes. For example, let's take another example. 1, 2, 5, 7, 9. Okay, let's not give it 9. Let's give it 8. Okay, this is also shorter one. Now what we do, let's give it 6 and 7. 6 and 7. Now we will check again low and high. 1 plus 7 is equal to 10. The answer is no. Since it's lesser than 10, 9 is lesser than 10, we will increase the lower one. Now it will be 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7 is nothing but 9. Okay, so sorry, it was 8. Okay, 2 plus 9 is nothing but 9. 9 is lesser than 10. So again what we will do, we will increase it. So it will be 5 plus 7. And 5 plus 7 is greater than 10. So what we will do, we will decrease the higher one. It will become 5 plus 6, which is 11. And since we know that we have crossed and intersected it, the lower and higher, and we still didn't found it. So what happens? Pair didn't found. So pair doesn't exist if this happens, and if we had a pair, we would have found. So this is another optimized way, and let's see how it works in the coding part. So now let's name it. Let's keep it this only, and here we will do array.sort, because first we needed to sort. Once the array is sort, let low is equal to 0 and let high is equal to array.length minus 1. So it will be the last element. Now we will create a while loop, and that while loop will always work till low is lesser than high, which means it will end till the space is exhausted. So now what we will do, we will check. Now if array of low plus array of high is equal to sum, then we got it. Console.log pair found, and the pair is nothing but array of, I'll copy paste this, array of low and array of high. Yes, and then what we will do, now we have the increment and decrement type. So what we'll do, if array of low plus array of high is lesser than sum, then we know, let's make it increment, let's make it this way. then low plus plus, otherwise high plus plus. And if this is the case, console.log, they are not found. Let's try to run this and let's see how fast it moves. Not easy. PairSum index problem index.js. So it found the pair, and the issue is we didn't go it back, so we have to return also. Yes. So time it took is 5 milliseconds. It can be fast, it can be slow also, depends on what the array is and how you run it. So I hope you learned something new. I hope you enjoyed it, and please do like it and share with your friends and subscribe to my channel for awesome content. Thank you.